Hey, do you like playing with paint, paper, glue, scissors, inks, dyes, gel plates? My name's Leigh Elks and I love to play around with all of those things and create mixed media art and make junk journals. So on that note, let the creating begin. Hello crafty pals, it's Leigh here from Leigh's Art Studio and it's time for another scavenger hunt collage challenge. So this is the one for October. And the theme is music. So the 5th of October, which is the first Wednesday of October, put up your images in Instagram or your videos on YouTube, and anything that's related to music is what you need to find. Either make a collage out of it or just glue it into a glue book, whatever you would like to do. So I've collected a whole heap of things here, all music related, so I'm just going to glue everything down in some sort of logical manner and see how we go. So I've got music paper, I've got pianola paper, got pictures of singers, pictures of people that are related to the Australian music industry, instruments, music sheet again, notification about the first FM radio station somewhere in here. Oh, this is when the Sydney Opera House was opened. Picture of an orchestra, dancing people, headline from a music festival, an old gramophone, another one. Got Pinocchio playing a violin, little mouse on a drum, and another teddy here playing a ukulele, keyboard, I don't know if I mentioned that, ballerina, a lady playing a violin, and a radio. So I'm going to see how I go with that. I've also got some ribbon that's got music notes on it, and I've also got some words that are music related. The first thing I'm going to do is cover my page in my book with the music paper, and then I'll arrange everything else on top of it. Okay, so I've got two dances. I'm going to sort them out into categories. Got that, which is some sort of gramophone, and that one's another gramophone. So we've got a drum kit, got a violin and a violin, and a keyboard, and a ukulele, an old piano. So then I've got words. Well, there's another record player and a radio. So that is the Opera House. That's an opera singer. Miff Warhurst is like a music expert in Australia. So there's this guy here, his name is Ian Meldrum. So I would call them music aficionados. So first radio's FM radio station, I'll put that up there. I've got my concert, my orchestra. So on the back it says the National Philharmonic Concert Hall during the 7th International Chopin Competition. And the photograph on this, which is like a little postcard, is sort of off center, so I was thinking maybe I can fold that and have it like a tip in. Kylie Minogue, so Australian singer, Jimmy Barnes and Michael Hutchence, so another two Australian singers, a little mouse on a drum, and I've got my piano paper. Okay, so I'm just going to put everything to the side. And I'm going to glue this pianola paper over the join in the page. This is just a PVA craft glue that I'm using. So that's 2 already, so that's 1 and 2. Okay, so if I'm going to do this as a tip-in, I need to think about where it's going to go. So there maybe. And what am I going to put on here? I think I should put Jane Sutherland. Maybe the Opera House. Maybe the Opera House down there on the page first. Oops. And then this, so these are going to be like announcements, I guess. So and then that can go there. I'll put something inside it, so I'll put I might put her on the outside of it. I'll just glue it down to begin with. Oh, a little bit too much glue there, I think. Take some of that off and just put it on that plastic. And I'm going to put a bit of this as a little tab for lifting that up. Okay, so that can just stay over there, out of the way. My dancers. Now this is a big image. It was shiny, really glossy, and so I coated it in clear gesso to take the gloss off it. So I'll put that in. In there. And then Jane Sutherland I'll put there. And then I'll fit my ballerina in somewhere over. Up here, I think. And I wanted to take her out of that white frame. A straight white frame, I should say. So I'm tearing the paper towards me so that I get the white edge around. So that's the way that looks now. So she can go there. Radio station. Miff Warhurst worked for Triple J, which is the government's youth radio station. Yeah. But yes, I think she works as a DJ, a radio DJ somewhere. So I'll clear him out of there and put him there, because he's sort of same type of job. And then that can go there, because that was the name of his television show, which was a music show. So they can go there. And they are my male music artists. Okay, so now let's have a look. Got these things, so I really don't like that, but I'm going to use it anyway. I like this part of it, so I'm going to tear it in half, glue that down, and then I've got this old I don't know what you call it, gramophone maybe. That can go there. Now I've got an old radio. That can go there. Okay, so I've got a record player, gramophone and a radio. There's 3 more things. Record player, gramophone, radio. So up to 16. Got another really old gramophone. So I'll pop that in, but I won't be able to count it because it's a repeat. So I've got my musical instruments now, so I'm going to put the piano there. I've got a keyboard, which I will put there. I've got a ukulele, and that can go there. I have Pinocchio playing a violin, which I will put down the bottom there. I've got a drum kit, which is 20, and another violin, which I can't count, and a band, which is 21. So it's a little boy playing the drums, and there's a poster of Kiss on the wall behind him. And we've got this little fella here, can go there. Cute. It was out of a Daphne's Diary. And this lady, it's beautiful, I love that image. But I want to take that white edge away. Okay, and the words are the other thing I've got, so I've got notes, got upbeat, should have put that the other way around, should put that down here with her, and then lively up here with these guys. Better. Dance. And then live music. And I think the last thing I'll do is put a bit more of this ribbon in. That there. Maybe another little piece just here. Call that done. Okay, so don't forget to check out the hashtag. It is 2022 Collage Challenge OCT for October. The hashtags don't work the way they used to, so include 2022 Collage Challenge and leave the October off because that hashtag playlist is actually there. Alrighty. So music is the theme for October. There's a link for this download in my video description box if you would like to download it. The theme for November is art. And I found 22 items, different items. Might have been more, I'm not sure. And I've arranged them on my page like this. Alrighty, I'll call that done, and I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for tuning in, and cheers from Australia. Hooroo.